Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been long since I posted a new video and I was so busy offline. So in this video, I want to show you my top 5 best performing crowdfund based on my own personal experience using each and every one of the sites which I'm going to show you today. So of course, if you have been following my YouTube channel, my first and the best crowdfund provider is Duoplus, because they have very easy to use crowdfund services. You can see here, I've been using them for Atapol, yes, and their pricing is so cheap and they offer very high level performing crowdfund services. So my number one crowdfund provider as we go into new year of 2026 is Duoplus crowdfund, and you can see I run multiple Atapol account using Duoplus among other accounts which have not logged in here. So number one is Duoplus, and if you want to learn more about Duoplus on my YouTube channel, I have done, come here, search Duoplus review, and I have done a full review for Duoplus crowdfund and how to use it well. Now number two, without wasting time, my best number two crowdfund service provider is called Vimos Crowd. Many of you knows Vimos Crowd. They are very unique and they are improvement of Duoplus, but I still stick to Duoplus because their system is a bit more stable. But Vimos Crowd is the next worthy opponent of Duoplus, because they offer various high-end machines you can choose from, either from standard crowd machine, high-end crowd-based real machine, and so many other things that they offer. They even offer real device for testing. This is for developers. And what I've come to discover about Vimos Crowd, their pricing is almost the same as Duoplus, but they offer various ways of using their services. You can either use it on a software, you download it on your PC. You can also use, they have an Android app, an iOS app, and there are so many ways of accessing your account on Vimos Crowd. So Vimos Crowd and Duoplus, they hold almost the same position at number one, but for my favoritism, based on my own interest, I think now under my category, this one comes number two. So as usual, if you'd like to know more about Vimos Crowd, check out my YouTube channel. I have done a full review for Vimos Crowd and how they work, how to set up a profile, how to do anything that you want on Vimos Crowd. Now, without wasting time, the third one is bitbrowser. This was my first ever crowdfund service provider that I did a review on my YouTube channel, and they have been consistent. The reason even I migrated from them is because for you to use bitbrowser, you require to download a software, yeah, and most of my users on my YouTube channel, most of them have phones, so they required a crowd phone which can access using a smartphone. That's why bitbrowser is not a favoritism for most people, because it requires you to download their Windows or PC's software, and they have even adjusted their price downwards. When you are starting, the monthly plan was about above $20, but now is around $20, and it ranges the same price range between Vimos Crowd and Duoplus crowdfund. So in terms of pricing, they have really improved on their pricing here, as you can see here. Yeah. Now, so if you want to learn more about bitbrowser crowdfund, as usual, go to my previous videos and you're going to go to my YouTube channel, search for bitbrowser review, and you're going to see my full review of bitbrowser crowdfund. Remember, bitbrowser also offers architect browser profiles, and they are very efficient and very good to work with. So check out bitbrowser also. I'm going to post the link for all the sites I'm reviewing today under the description of this video. Now, the fourth one, which I want to show you guys on my list, is called mostlogin. The reason it's the fourth one is because the pricing is a bit expensive, and for you to use mostlogin, you require to do what? You require to download their software on your PC. Without the software, you cannot do what? You cannot be able to use their services. And another thing, it's a newly launched crowdfund provider. So their crowdfund is on development. They are keeping on improving the features on their crowdfund. So I'm assuming that after some few days or weeks or months, they're going to launch a fully complete product of their crowdfund, and I can't wait to review the features that they're going to add on their crowdfund. But for now, I use mostlogin for their free profiles. Remember, if they also have an anti-checked browser whereby they provide free profiles for those people who register on their site, and registration is free. So if you want to learn more about mostlogin, I have a very good review about mostlogin on my YouTube channel. Go to my YouTube channel as I showed you here. Where is it? On my YouTube channel here, search mostlogin, and definitely you're going to get more about how they work and how they operate. But in terms of pricing, I think they're on the high side, and that's why I placed them at number 4. Now, the last one which I'm going to talk about today is Geelark. This was the second crowdfund which I have ever reviewed on my YouTube channel. I was so amazed to discover crowdfunds, and this amazed me. And after doing bitbrowser crowdfund review, this is the second one that I did, and this one is the most expensive. Yeah, per month is around $19. But if you add the various add-ons like running parallel accounts, whereby you can be able to launch several crowdfunds at the same time, you see, you pay a lot of money here. Remember, others use one crowdfund profile at a time, but here they have a feature where you can add parallel crowdfunds, whereby you can launch like four crowdfunds using the same computing power, and you are going to use it without any issue. But of course, it comes at an extra cost. That's why I added them as my number 5 crowdfund service provider, because they are a bit expensive compared to the others. But if you don't require the add-ons, they are a bit affordable, because it's around where did I see the price? It's around $19 to $20. But if you want to add other extra features like parallel account management and everything, you get what? You get a bit expensive. So you can see here they charge per minutes. So you buy profiles and they are charged per minute. So those are the minor things that made me to classify them as number 5. But as usual, if you'd like to know more about Geelark, my YouTube channel, I have done a review for them. As usual, go to my videos, search for Geelark review, and you're going to enjoy the review I did for them. Now, in my previous on my Telegram channel, the new Telegram channel, I'm going to post the link under the description of this video. I promised to introduce CPA marketing tutorials. So I haven't forgotten. In fact, the reason I have been offline, I've been doing a lot of research on CPA marketing. I have paid for many courses, but of course, I'm going to share what I've learned in the next few days. I'm just trying to compile a very good video for beginners tutorial on how to register on CPA marketing sites. So the first videos will be about the needs you require to start CPA marketing. And then the next step you're going to do is how to create a CPA marketing account without being banned and with auto confirmation of accounts. Yeah, because also there, if you register account badly, you get banned. And also I'll show you how to run traffic on your CPA offers. I'm in class, I'm really paying a lot of courses for that. That's why sometimes I got engaged and I was not able even to post videos as I normally do. But from now on, I'll keep on posting videos. So as we go to 2026, those are my best crowdfund service providers for now. But if you get another one, which I've not mentioned here, feel free to put it under the comment section of this video. I really like checking out the stuff recommended by my viewers and my subscribers. So if you have subscribed to my YouTube channel up to now, thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate the love. We are still growing, and I'll keep posting more quality content. So guys, thank you for watching. Keep it locked to my next video.